So as I said, I've brought the pedal board inside, um, and this is it, just sitting in here in my floor. Um, and what it looks like, this is actually, I'm going to show this. This looks kind of like the Kimber Allen contact pieces, which I hope it is. That will make this very easy to convert to Hauptwerk. So this is, I got my light here just to add a little extra light. So the front of the pedals are of course up here. So you step on the pedal, it comes down, and as you can see, this note right here, when it comes down, it raises those 4 contact wires, causes them to touch, which essentially closes the circuit. Then on the other side, I'm going to take this off here in a minute once I get these wires disconnected. But on the other side, there should be the additional contacts, the other wires coming out of the other side. And then the wiring actually will connect to those. So something I've noticed here, of course the brown wires are going to be the positive end, if you will, coming off of the contact, and each pedal has a brown wire. As you can see, there's one red wire coming out right there, and haven't followed it along to the board that's on here, but my bet is that's the red wire right there, and that's the common ground line, and it looks to be only one common ground for this whole unit, which we won't be using that unit right there. I've elected to go with the Hauptwerk hardware for this project. I've got that ordered, and it's on the way, so it's not here yet. It'll be a little while probably before it gets here. But in the meantime, I'm going to be getting the manuals, the pedal board, the swell pedals. I'm going to get everything ready so that when the actual hardware devices get here from HauptwerkHardware.com, I'll be ready to connect them. Still kind of in the early stages, but we're going to be working to get everything ready. So anyway, that being said, I'm using the TUDI connector, the TUDI encoder from HauptwerkHardware.com. So what will be replacing this is one of their connection strips. And their connection strips, it is an 8x8 matrix, which this right here looks to be a 7x3, I guess, whatever. No, because they're more connected there. It's 32 nodes. So anyway, however this is wired, it's got one ground. That will not work for the connection strip. On the connection strip from Hauptwerk Hardware, you got to have a ground line in each 8x8 matrix, which will be no problem. This once I take this off, we'll be able to see it better. We can get it wired for an 8x8 setup, and hopefully with these, like I say, what looks to be the Kimber Allen contacts, this is going to be really simple, I believe. So anyway, what I'm going to do right now, I've kind of already started cutting back this all of this is kind of falling apart, that was holding it together, and I'm going to go ahead and cut all that off, get this board taken off where we can see what we're doing, and I'll come back.